stress exactly what we raised earlier, that he was conflicted to stay in that interview of the SARS commissioner. Trevor can kick and scream and go to court and win the court case. But the fact of the matter is that Trevor and that guy have got some relationship. That's why Trevor recused himself, not a proper recusal. Trevor didn't chair when that person came into the interview. Why is the court not asking Trevor, why did you recuse yourself? He recuses himself because he's got a relationship with the guy. It is undisputed. He's got a relationship with the guy. And he confirms that in his papers, actually, that he recused himself. But what is funny enough, he didn't leave the room. What is recusal? When you say, I won't chair, but I'll sit in the room. But it was also a disadvantage on other candidates. Why do you interview other candidates if you know very well that the person you've got a relationship is still coming? What if you are too hard on those others so that when yours come, you have already paved the way? In the Judicial Service Commission, if you miss interviewing one judge, you will not interview the rest of other judges because they say it's unfair. So the whole process, it's just that we don't have money, but the whole process of SARS commissioner was unfair, conducted in secret, people recusing themselves but remaining in the same hall. And when we criticize SARS, they say we've got something to hide. We have nothing to hide. We're not scared of SARS. SARS can come for us anytime. The reason why they want SARS so disparately, it is the only weapon they are able to use against their enemies. SARS is being used as a weapon to fight political opponents of white monopoly capital. We have nothing against SARS. SARS has got nothing against us. We have gone after Pravin. We have gone after Trevor Manuel. We have gone after Zuma. We are going after Ramaphosa and all of them. Why, if there is something we're hiding and scared of, why is SARS not coming? Let it come. We're not scared of SARS. Let it come. Let the new SARS commissioner come for us. An unfair process is an unfair process. We are going to say it is unfair. We don't care whether it happens in SARS or not. That commissioner was appointed unfairly in a secret interview conducted by Trevor Manuel. Amongst the people who were going to be interviewed are people who had a relationship with Trevor, and Trevor recused himself, a matter he has not disputed. Why is Trevor not being asked a question? Why did you recuse yourself? One. Okay, do you still call that thing a recusal? Because a recusal will mean you must leave the room. Why did you say you recuse yourself and still sit in the room? Why did you interview others and not him? What do you think it will not be justifiable to say you are hard on others to pave a way for him? Were you sitting in the room to police other members of the panel to ensure that they don't make it difficult for the person you've got a relationship with? All of that. So whether the court agrees with Trevor or not, on technical points he might have a point, but the truth remains the truth. Trevor knows the guy. Trevor did not interview the guy he knows. Trevor interviewed the guys he didn't know, which gave his guy some sort of a preference of some sort because a tough guy has not interviewed him. Trevor is being accused of bullying by Peter Moy. That's his style. He always wants to find his own way, otherwise you're going to have a problem. So your favorite is now involved in other big problems, huge conflict. Your favorite and Mr. Clean, he's sitting in the boards where he stands to benefit from this or that. Peter Moyo, we knew it. He takes the money of the company, the money of the shareholders, pay his legal fees, as alleged by Peter Moyo. Your favorite is not different from the rest. Actually, all your favorites are the same. it looks like.